Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Shaping samosas is quite a tedious job. So today I'm going to show you a simpler way to make it using the same flavors of a samosa. Hello and welcome to Rajshri Food. I'm your host Ruchi Bharani and today we're going to make pinwheel samosas. Let's start with making the filling first. For that I'm going to heat up a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is slightly hot, I'm going to add in a few curry leaves. Just stir them. 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida, half an onion finely chopped. Just cook the onions for a few seconds. Next, let's add in half a cup of boiled green peas. Let's add in 3 boiled and mashed potatoes. With this, let's quickly add all the seasoning ingredients as well. Half a teaspoon of Garam Masala, 1 teaspoon of ginger and chilli paste, half a teaspoon of amchur or raw mango powder, 1 teaspoon of Chaat Masala, and my twist, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of tamarind and date chutney. A handful of coriander leaves and salt to taste. Let's give this a good mix. Make sure you mix all the ingredients properly. Once the mixture stops sticking to the pan, let's turn off the flame and let it cool down completely. Let's start with making the dough now. So I'm going to mix a couple of flours. I've taken half a cup of wheat flour, half a cup of plain flour, and also 2 tablespoons of rice flour. This is optional, so if you have it at home, you can add some. Let's add in a tablespoon and a half of oil, 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix all these ingredients together. Add in some water and let's make a hard dough. Let the dough rest for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and now let's start rolling the dough. Just knead it lightly once again. I'm going to cut it into 2 portions. Let's apply oil to the board as well as the rolling pin. Let's start rolling. You could even roll this into a rectangle instead of rolling it into a round roti. And this is how thick it's supposed to be. Let's start spreading the mixture. Make sure the mixture is completely cooled down before you spread it on the dough. Slightly mash the peas. Let's start rolling this into a tight roll. Seal the edge properly and as well as tuck in the sides. Let's cut this roll into half-inch slices. And now I'm going to slightly flatten these. So very carefully press it between your palms. The pinwheels are ready and now I'm going to dust in a little bit of cornstarch on it. just where the filling is, not too much. So a few of them are ready. Let's add them in the oil to fry on medium-low heat. These are done. Let's get them out. Let's add the next batch to fry. Now that you know a quicker way to make samosas, do give this a try. You can even half fry them and keep them and just fry them again before serving, or fry them completely and then just warm it up in the oven and serve. So do comment below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.